Okay, so for number 2, we're going to brainstorm the meaning of each of these 4 air mass characteristics. So insert a picture below that helps you understand the meaning for the word. Okay, so we have tropical, polar, maritime, and continental. And those are all different types of air masses. And so by learning what these words mean, that's going to give us a better idea of what their air masses are like. Okay, so I'm going to do continental for an example. So continental, so that word comes from continent. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and I'm going to search the web. So I'm going to search continent. Okay, so you can see it pulls up a lot of pictures of different continents. Okay, so that's going to kind of give us a clue about that type of air mass. And then all you do to insert is simply click and insert. And there you go. And then you're going to do that same thing for tropical, polar, and maritime. If you need to look up the definition first, you can definitely do that too to give you a little better idea of what pictures you want to search for. Otherwise, just put in any picture that is going to help you understand the meaning of those air masses. Okay, good luck. Let us know if you need any help.